My Thali initiative, because it's sometimes you don't know how much to eat or what portion to eat, like you were just telling us. So can you tell us a little bit about this initiative, please?
Yes. So basically, I'll talk a little bit about Arogya World and then come to My Thali, because Arogya World is, what is Arogya? Arogya in Sanskrit means to be, free of disease, right? So that's to be in good health, and it's both physical as well as mental. So India is going to become a diabetic capital. Our children are becoming more obese, suffering from high blood pressure, which we are in fact not aware of, right? So be it children or be it adults, NCDs are on the rise, be it diabetes or high blood pressure, cardiac problems, cancers, lung infections. So basically, Arogya World is trying to reduce the risk of these NCDs through health education and creating awareness by bringing about some lifestyle changes and bringing about awareness on healthy eating. So this is our aim. We want to make India healthy by telling them how to eat right. So My Thali program is just that. It tells you exactly in what quantities, what food should come on your plate so that it becomes a balanced meal in a very, very simple way. So I'll just give you a comparison. We have this food pyramid, right? The triangle, which tells you what food grains at the bottom, and then we have the fruits and the vegetables, then we have the proteins, that's the meat and the milk and the dals, and then at the top we have the sugars and the fats, right? So this is kind of a pictorial representation which tells you that, okay, this you can eat liberally, this you can eat moderately, this you need to restrict, but it doesn't tell you exactly in what quantities, right? So then came the US My Plate, which told you the proportions that, okay, 1/4 should be this much, one half of your plate should be fruits and veggies. But again, it was in raw quantities. So My Thali came up with this idea of putting things on the plate in cooked quantities. So it becomes so clear if I tell you to have one katori of sabji, one katori of dal, two chapatis, okay, instead of telling you to have 60 grams of wheat flour. Now that becomes so difficult, for a person to understand, a layman who doesn't understand what are carbs, what are proteins. Instead, if I just tell you to have a katori of sabji, it becomes more easier than telling you to have 250 grams of sabji. And you cannot sit and weigh every day, right? So to make it just more simple, we came up with this icon of My Thali, which kind of teaches the Indian woman who can steer her family to eat healthy and keep herself healthy as well.
I think that's a wonderful initiative, and it's so important at this point specifically because we see, even after the lockdown, like you explained, hidden hunger, these are challenges which we've been dealing with not just now, but it's only increased more. But I'm glad at least there's awareness, right? So from breastfeeding, till we actually are an adult, we definitely need to keep these things in mind.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Meghna, for joining us and sharing all these important things, I think, which are really, really critical in today's day and age. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.